Hi guys, I'm making manchow today. So my take on the manchow is very different from the traditional manchow soup that you drink. So here are the ingredients. For the soup I have carrot, baby corn, mushroom, the leaves, broccoli, and here is capsicum, garlic, onion, cabbage, the stalks of broccoli. This is ginger, and this is a red chili which I'll be using, and again soya sauce, vinegar, oil, and a teaspoonful of corn flour. So chop the vegetables finely. I'll heat a pan, put some garlic, ginger, a red chili, and saute it for a while. Now I'll add all the veggies. I'll saute the veggies for a while. In the meantime, I'll take a teaspoon of corn flour and dilute it with some water to thicken the soup. All the veggies have a nice aroma to them. The ginger, the garlic, the sizzling in the pan. Now I'll add the seasoning. I'll put some cabbage, some broccoli stalks. Here I'll be adding half a teaspoon of black pepper, salt, vinegar, soya, some tomato sauce. You can even eat them like a sauteed vegetable also. But today I'm making soup. I'll thicken it with some corn flour and water. You have to mix corn flour with some water so that there are no lumps in the soup. Once it starts thickening, you need some soup consistency. So if I want 4 cups of soup, I will add 4 cups of water to it. See how thick or thin you like to have. I like to add some fried noodles to it, but you can always boil some Maggi and put into it. With fried noodles, with Maggi, manchow soup tastes very good with anything at all. So this is how the soup finally looks like after giving it 10-12 boils. So this is a sufficient quantity for 4 people. You can make it as tikha or as light and bland as you like. Add more of black pepper, more of soya, more of vinegar. So this is how the manchow soup looks like. You can serve it with a dash of vinegar with some chilies, some soya. So take your pick. You can add some fried noodles or boiled noodles, whatever you like. So bye bye for now.